tell us something. You know the reason why I'm cussing people them over here will come about me? Pussy me not know enough and know it. Second of all, a fake page you know they behind. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. A fake page, I mean now make no fake page bully me. So anything you come to me because it's so easy. If you come over this page and you don't like to hear my voice, you see me? If you think I'm too loud, there is nobody in the comment section or me is telling you to stay. So if you don't have anything to say that's good, you leave. You don't have to be here. You do but blood clot. You know what? You hear loud voice. You stop by your one blood clot list. So twin pussy blood clot Roger. And all I would know is so most of we get a girl more loud. My man can't tell us something load up on him though.